Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Motivation Medicos. My name is Prince Tiwari and today we're going to talk about depression. About the depression, as you know, it's a very common psychiatric disorder or the illness in our India. So you must have knowledge about the depression because when you see in your family member, relative, even your friends, and they are suffering from depression. So if you have knowledge about depression, so you can easily recognize them and send them to the doctor. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So the symptoms from which you can easily recognize that they have the depression. So now I'm just going to tell you the symptoms of depression. So the first one, that is the sadness of mood. I'm just taking example of myself. So the thing is, whatever the things are going around me, even it is good or maybe too much good, and still okay, I'm just feeling sad. It means that okay, I'm into the depression. But the thing is what, sometimes I also get up and down in my life, and then okay, I just get sad from that down, but automatically it becomes good, and then I just get happy. So it doesn't mean that I'm in depression, but the thing is what, okay, and in depression the sadness, okay, it will be remain constant. The thing is what, even you're celebrating the festival, you're celebrating your birthday, you're still feeling the sadness. So it means that you are into the depression. So it is the first symptoms from which you can easily find that okay, he or she can be into the depression. Now let's take the another symptom, that is about the guilt, or I can say that excessive guilt. Let's assume that okay, I just did a mistake and it's very small mistake, and I just have started feeling guilt, and I'm just thinking that I am responsible for this. Even a small thing, okay, I just did a mistake, and I just have started doing guilt. So it means that okay, I am into the depression. Now let's take the another one, that is the about the concentration. It means okay, if I am a student and I just have started studying and I'm just losing the concentration on my study, so it also may be the reason of depression. Now let's take the another one, that is loss of interest. Like just suppose that I am a student, okay, and I used to study good, but now okay, I just have lost interest from the study and I'm not able to study. Even this, let's think, okay, if I'm a sports person and right now I don't have any interest, okay, for playing game and all, so it is also the reason and the symptoms of the depression. Now let's take the another one, that is the physical weakness. In the physical weakness, I just have started okay, feeling tired, physically weak. Okay, so the physical weakness, okay, it is also the symptom of the depression. Now let's take the another symptom. It's about the appetite changes. So if I am feeling too much hungry, okay, so obviously I'll gain the weight. And if I will, I'll start not feeling hungry, so obviously I'll lose the weight. So it can also be the reason of depression. Now let's take the another example. So it's about the abnormal sleep. In the abnormal sleep, I just wanna say that it doesn't mean that okay, I just wanna sleep very early, okay, and even I'm not able to sleep all the night. No, in the depression, what happen? You will be waking up very early. It means okay, my routine is about I just wake up early by 7 o'clock. Okay, but in this depression, okay, I'll just start waking up by 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Okay, so it means okay, it is also the symptom of the depression. Now let's take the another one. The last symptom, that is very important, that you will start thinking about harm yourself. Means okay, you will be start thinking about that your life is nothing, there is nothing for you. Okay, your life is just end up, you should now you should suicide because there is nothing for you. So you will start thinking these things in the last. This is the last stage of the depression. But if you will see these all the symptoms, whatever I'm just told you, if you will see even in you, even your family, friend, relation, or okay, whoever they will be. So and more than for the more than 2 weeks, so you must consult to the doctor or the psychiatrist nearest to you. So now you might be thinking about what are the causes of the depression. So obviously it's a disease. It has two components, the biological causes and the psychological causes. So in the biological causes, it means that something is changing in our brain, and they are the chemicals. In the chemical, we have a serotonin, norepinephrine, and the dopamine, and these are decreasing. Abnormalities of these chemicals that causes depression. Now let's talk about the psychological cause. So in the psychological cause, if something happened wrong with me, so obviously I'll start thinking wrong about me. So let's take the example of me. I'm a student and I just have got failed twice in exam. So I'll start thinking about that. Okay, I can't do anything else. I don't have potential to do anything else. And these negativity, okay, will increase the depression of me. So now what we should do in depression? So first of all, don't feel ashamed, because the depression, it is not related from the mental health and the mental weaknesses. If you found these symptoms in you or your family member, friend, or relatives, so first of all, what you need to do at that time, stop thinking negative things about you and don't feel guilty, because depression is a disease which can be easily curable, as you know. So in the last, that is about the treatment. So in the treatment, we have a two type of treatment. The first of all, we have a medication. From the medication, we can easily increase the dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. So and that will also improve your mood, okay, by improving these chemicals, okay, with the help of medication. And another one, that is about the counseling. So you must take counseling, and from the counseling, okay, they will the psychiatrist will know about what are the causes that that is causing the depression in you and all. So they will give you the solution and all. So these both, the first one, the medication, and the counseling, they both, okay, will help you a lot and help you to move out from the depression. So you must consult to the psychiatrist that is nearest to you. I hope this video has given you a good understanding about depression. So if you like this video, so please share this video as much as possible to your friends. As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah.